There's another option here which we call inset. And what is the inset? You may notice the distance between the duct and the diffusers. This amount is related to the distance between them. Now I put 3. You can see that 5. The distance has changed. Okay. We had to calculate some of them manually. We go to the next tool. After we estimately finish the drawing, not exactly completely, okay, we go to edit layout tool. Okay, you can select the line and move it up, left, or to any direction. Exactly like this. Okay, and the color is yellow now. It means that we have to change its position manually. I put it down. You can change the line's position manually. Finally, we click on the solutions. Now we can see the new item, which name is custom. And finally, we click on the finish layout. Very easily. Okay, like this. Some errors happened. We had to change the amounts manually. We didn't make a correct size for the ducts. Some of them are use tab connections. So we want to refigure this one manually. Okay, I create a section plane here like this, or you can do another option. For example, mirror to axis. Check the copy. Now you can select the flexible duct and move it to here. Another time, I go to the 2D dimension view. It doesn't show because the distance is very small. The flexible duct has not shown. Now we can see the duct. Okay, I hold the left click and zoom on it. When you see this sign, or I remove it, select the diffuser, right click, draw flex duct, and connect it to here. It is much easier than that. I want to connect these two to each other. Trim extent, single element. So easily we connect it to the duct. Because the direction of the flow is to this way, I change it. Okay, it must be in same direction as the flow. In here we have same problem. I move it to the left. I want to make a knee-shaped type here. It must yes, first one and second one must reversed. I put it to the left. For calculation, it's better to make a cap for the end of like this. Cap open ends. Because the flow is going down, this direction is wrong. Yes, for this one too. So we change the rotation according to the flow of the air. Because the input is here, we must change its direction in here. Especially for this section, we can use the simple one. And according to the flow direction, this position is correct. These are correct. Notice that when you try to branch from these, perfect is a round shape for branches, but you had to select the correct size. We will explain it later. We go to the sizing to select any size. So we cap all the ends. For here, I remove this and use the elbow shape. Okay. I try to move it to the left a little. Select first one to the second one. Even you can connect your duct here, but we leave them alone. So we change the direction again. Okay, now go to the computation. I check this one. These must be rectified. Wall and duct has some wrong connection. Okay, they have conflict with each other. Rooftop units must change its position and a little to the left, up like this. We have to rectify all of them later, so I will explain how to change these. For calculation, move the mouse on the mouses. Move the mouse, use the tab 2, 3 times. So all the system has been selected. After that, you have to go to the top menu. Some tools has been activated. Fabrication will explain later. System inspector,